Have you ever felt like trading EAs just don't work? You buy one, it looks promising, but the end drawdown, panic, loss. Is it the EA? Or is it something else? In this video, we're going to break down exactly why most traders fail with expert advisors and what you can do differently. We'll explore the mindset mistakes that ruin your trades, the myths about perfect systems, and how to build a long-term strategy that actually works. If you've ever felt frustrated or stuck in your trading journey, this one's for you. Let's dive in. Chapter 1: Why most traders fail with EAs. Have you ever wondered why some traders fail with EAs while others seem to quietly profit month after month? It's not because one person is smarter or better at technical analysis. And it's not because the market is unfair. It's because most traders enter the world of automated trading with the wrong mindset. They believe an EA is a magic button. They think, if I just find the right EA, I'll never lose again. So they buy one, they run it, and the moment it takes a loss they panic. They switch EAs, they tweak settings, they chase the next shiny thing. What they never realize is this: the problem was never the EA. The problem was their expectations. Most traders want perfection, but that doesn't exist in trading, manual or automated. If you think an EA will make you money every single week, every single month, without any losses or drawdown, you're not trading. You're dreaming. Real traders know better. They treat EAs not as gambling machines, but as tools. And like any tool, you need to learn how to use it properly. Let's talk about that. Chapter 2: There's no such thing as a perfect EA. Many traders go on a long, frustrating journey trying to find the one, the flawless EA, the holy grail, the system that never loses. Spoiler, it doesn't exist. Markets are not constant. Volatility shifts. Trends come and go. News events shake the price unexpectedly. No logic, no matter how sophisticated, can predict every movement. Every EA has weaknesses. Some struggle in ranging markets. Others fail during high volatility. Trying to eliminate all loss is like trying to catch the wind. The better question is, can you understand your EA's weaknesses well enough to manage them? Smart traders don't expect their EA to win all the time. They expect it to behave predictably within its logic, and they set rules to support it. In the Wildrose ecosystem, we build EAs that don't pretend to be perfect. We build them to be stable, honest, and adjustable. Because perfect EAs don't exist. But well-managed ones do. Chapter 3: The market is unpredictable, so control what you can. No one can predict the market, not traders, not algorithms, not institutions. So if you can't control the market, what can you control? Your risk, your exposure, your rules. This is where EAs truly shine. A good EA doesn't try to outsmart the market. It operates within a framework you set so that no matter what happens, your risk is defined. Think of it like a bucket with holes. Water leaks. That's expected. But if you know where the holes are, you can prepare. You can pause your EA before volatile news. You can limit the hours or days it trades. You can cap the number of trades or the max drawdown. EAs don't guarantee profits, but they allow you to enforce discipline consistently. The market is chaotic. You don't have to be. Control what you can, accept what you can't, and automate the rest. Chapter 4: Success with EAs comes from consistency. Most people don't lose money because their EA is bad. They lose because they quit too soon. They stop after a few drawdowns. They switch to a new EA after one bad week. But real success with EAs comes from doing one thing most traders can't: staying consistent. Even the best EAs have bad days. Even solid strategies go through slumps. But consistency creates edge over time. It lets the math play out. It lets the probability work in your favor. At Wildrose, our Genius Edge EA is designed exactly for this. It doesn't trade every hour. It doesn't promise monthly riches. But it's patient, careful, and designed to keep going. Gold Edge Pro is more aggressive, but with filters and rules that help protect against news and volatility. Whichever EA you use, your job is not to panic. It's to prepare, to trust your system, and to let time do the heavy lifting. Chapter 5: Genius Edge, or Gold Edge Pro. choosing the right EA for you. Not all EAs are built the same. And not all traders need the same thing. That's why we built two. Genius Edge is for the patient, conservative trader. It waits. It filters. It only enters when the odds are favorable. It's ideal for traders who prefer safety, who want fewer trades but higher precision. It's what we call a long game. EA perfect for stable, set and forget strategies. Gold Edge Pro, on the other hand, is bold. It trades more frequently. It responds quickly to movement in the gold and forex market. And it comes with built-in RSI filters. And a powerful news filter that can pause trading before economic events. This EA is for traders who want more action, more opportunity. But it also demands more responsibility. Both EAs allow you to set trading days, hours, and even specific dates. You can customize the risk, frequency, and behavior. The choice isn't about which EA is better. It's about which one is better for you. And some traders use both, balancing aggression and stability. That's the beauty of a smart portfolio. Chapter 6, Your mindset is the true edge. It's not just the strategy that matters. It's how you handle it. Do you panic when a trade goes into drawdown? Do you overreact when you see a red number on your screen? Or do you stay calm, trusting the rules you set? The best traders aren't the smartest. They're the most emotionally disciplined. They've accepted that losses are part of the game. They don't blame the EA. They don't switch systems every week. They adjust. They learn. And they keep going. They also know how to avoid overtrading. They set realistic expectations. And they don't fall for the hype of easy riches. The truth is, most traders lose not because of the market, but because of themselves. So if you want to win with EAs, fix your mindset first. Your EA follows your rules, but your mindset determines whether you follow them too. Chapter 7, Build a rule, not a dream. Most traders fail because they chase a dream. They dream of effortless income, of passive riches, of some secret code that will unlock the market. But trading, especially with EAs, isn't about dreams. It's about rules, a dream hopes, a rule plans. If you want long-term success, stop looking for the perfect system. Start building a perfect routine. When will your EA trade? When will it stop? How will it handle losses? How much drawdown is too much? Write it down, test it, refine it, because rules survive when dreams don't. And if you stick to your rules through the good days and the bad, you'll look back one day and realize you weren't just using an EA, you were building a system that works, because you made it work. If this video helped you rethink how you use Forex EAs, let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to support this channel, we'd truly appreciate your like and subscription. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.